Hey, what's up guys? This is my 2022 Ninja Kawasaki 400. Today, well, I already installed this, so there's a part number for the relay that you need. But basically, this is what I have on there now. So all I needed was the relay. I installed it already, pretty easy. I think the only biggest pain in the butt was trying to take this off, which you just need a Phillips. Just twist it off, and then the other thing was just plugging the cables in. It's kind of a mess down there. I taped it up right here where they plug in. And then I'll put the link in the description for this if anybody wants to get the same one. I guess I'll write a review afterwards to see how I like it. This is what you're gonna need in order for it to work, which is located, let me see, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see if I can grab it. Which is this one right here. It's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can get it out. It's like tied up. Okay, so I was able to take it off. I don't know if you guys can see this little, where is it? This little thing right here. What I did, there's another one behind it. You push it off. I think that should allow it to come out. I haven't pulled it yet. Yes, that was it. Okay. So then it comes out. So you see there's the thing. That's the two little things right there. You push this one back. And then I already took it out. So here's what the relay looks like. I ended up just ordering the OEM one just because I didn't want to have to deal with any other issues or wiring. I'll put the link in the description for that as well. And then you supposedly just plug it in. Oh, it's already in. I'm tripping. Okay. Let me test it. It turns on. And it did not come on. Okay guys, so rookie mistake on my side. I mean, I never thought it really mattered, but I guess I didn't see this. But you see it says plus, minus. I had it all switched around, so I guess here's the moment of truth. I'll put the cables through there again. I'm gonna test it before I actually go through the whole process of zip tying it all. Let me plug it in. So this one will go in here. I don't know if it's in there tight. Yes sir, okay. It's working now. See the lights on. Let me plug my charger in. So the only reason I got this was because I went on a long trip and I had to use my GPS, and when I got to the place my phone was on 20%. And there you go. Okay, well, so yeah, pretty simple. Just don't make that rookie mistake that I made. It goes straight in there. There's the relay, which the relay sits. I don't know if you guys can see. So you see this little tab right here? It sits this little thing goes in there. Let's see if I can get in there. Oh yeah, easy. So that's what holds it. As you can see, it's sitting there now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me go ahead and get everything back in there because I kind of messed everything up. And then I'll get back to you guys. So here's what it looks like. Here's, I guess, sitting POV. Sitting down. I mean, it looks pretty OEM, I guess. And then that's pretty much it. Still need to clean up those wires, but I think you guys get the point. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment down in the comment section below. I'll have the link to the 2 things that I bought, and then I can give you guys a part number, of course. Here's a part number for that one. This one, I don't know if it has a part number, but I'll link it anyways. Just check the description. Alright, thank you guys, and talk to you guys later.